humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Be humble. Hold up. Sit down. Be humble. Hold up. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Alright, let's go to bed. Gabe. Gabe, hello?
I'm back. I had to go take care of Stella.
Wow. I'm gonna go to bed.
I gotta fix my controller. It's not responding right now. Hey, there we go.
Bro.
Fun that we had that wall up.
No, we didn't. We put like 5 blocks.
Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot. There's a lot.
Really?
One's dead. One's dead. Oh, okay. Maybe pick up the stupid sword. I need to go get medicine.
I can't freaking see, dude. Last one. Slashed him again. On me! Dude! Nice. Dead.
Hey! We're getting better at this.
I don't know. Is there more?
I just kept the last one.
Okay, good.
Dude, they got wrecked.
I know, dude. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed.
I like how we can just casually go to sleep after slaughtering 5 people.
Go, dude. Be humble. Go to bed. Yeah, be humble. How's it? I'm gonna go dump the bodies.
Dude, I never get anything good out of the skin patches.
I know. Where's it, dude? There it was doing the no talking. I'm gonna go get some logs. Can you help me out with that? Please. No, we need to finish this wall so we don't get bombarded every single night. What else are we gonna do?
I don't know. I found a weird bird crash. It's like a kind of ritual looking thing. Making a sled real quick.
Sled?
A wood sled. Sticks. Why do we need so many sticks?
I need a lot for that thing.
For the sled?
Yeah.
Oh.
Holy crap!
What?
Dude, that tree gave so many logs.
Yeah, I know.
Dude.
Yeah. Geez.
Get me out, you know. No, 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 no. Oh yeah, what is this?
It's one of the. It's the advanced log sled.
Oh, some.
I don't know if you can carry more in it or what. We'll see.
Okay.
You can't get sticks from logs, can you?
Nah. I got a new method on how to drive this thing.
You know how many sticks you can carry?
24. Or 23, one of those. Wait, you mean you can also put sticks in the log carrier, normal one.
hear trees falling in the distance.
I'm just chopping a bunch down. But what is that noise? Oh. I heard bushes like crinkling. When I turned around, it was just logs rolling. It scared the crap out of me. Tell me how you know. No. Oh. Tell me how you know. No. Oh. Tell me how you know.
This thing might. I don't know why it has to have all the fancy freaking skulls like that, but I think it might still work better.
Better. A lot of sticks.
Dang, we only need 115 logs. You can take those logs down there.
Okay. Did you already get the log for the... oh, it's coming along pretty well.
Yeah, that's what
And the wall, too.
Oh, the wall, yeah. That's good.
Oh, that was a dirty one.
Maddox, you know what would kind of be cool?
Huh.
I took an Xbox or something and played Subnautica on the cruise when we went.
Oh, I wish it was
Like
on the
that night.
freaking Xbox. Oh, that'd be scary, dude.
Yeah, that would dude, that'd be
Terrifying.
Or like watch like Megalodon or something.
Yeah,
We could watch Megalodon.
sure we can. We'll have... If we bring one of our Xboxes, we'll have Prime on there. And Netflix for sure.
Yeah. That might be too scary.
Oh, with the doors open?
Yeah, just hearing the water.
I don't know if I'd be able to do that. We'll be fine.
Play the game or what?
Yeah, or no. I have an idea. We could watch that one movie. Yeah, we could watch that one movie where the cruise ship hits a giant tsunami and flips over.
Oh yeah, Poseidon, I think it's called.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be scary too.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a crawler,
Oh no. That's a one shot with the axe. Oh my gosh.
I need one more skull. Do you have a skull?
I think so.
Hey!
There we go. Oh, 12.
Holy
It has an
crap.
area.
For rocks. Holy crap, and dude, it has an area for everything. Maddox, your thing went out.
don't know what happened, dude. I was saying everything it could carry, and you were saying it right after me. Like,
Oh, really?
yeah. But I guess that's why. This thing is insane, dude.
I know, it can carry freaking... You can build a whole house with just one of these.
Yeah. I know, it's really weird. It does it whenever I'm playing with my friends too. It's not just this Discord call.
I don't know, maybe like try and unplug the USB of your headset from the PC.
I've done that a lot, but it's still doing it.
Oh. Screw me, I guess.
What?
That guy kind of looks like a dog. I don't know how he did that.
I know, bro. It's kind of gross. They're not gross, but just like scary.
Yeah, I know.
I need to do a welfare check on his house.
Yeah. I think you get more if you chop the trees down to like an open area. Kind of drop it on the beach. Yeah.
Dude! Gosh, bro. Holy crap, that thing's stacked up high.
I know. We gotta finish the wall with just this.
Yeah. Can you run faster with that one? Or it's probably slower.
I think it's the same.
Yeah.
Oh, did you finish one side?
Yeah. It's going pretty fast, especially since both of us are doing it now.
Yeah. I need to eat something for real quick. Crazy, you can carry like 20 boulders too. 20 boulders, 20 rocks.
They can carry the big ones, like the bigger rocks too?
Yeah,
Dang, dude. Oh, we can make the fireplace.
yeah. should build one of these ones when we get a chance.
Yeah, when I finish the wall, I will.
Oh, Maddox, cannibals!
Oh no. A lot?
There's 6.
Oh.
Dang, I don't have any grenades. Come on, you want some? Oh, I just missed. Come on, boys, put this on.
What?
Oh, I'll show you the clip. I just freaking died. One of the cannibals ran at me and did a front flip.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Tell me how you know. No. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh crap. You see it?
No, I'm in our walls right now.
Go check on Stella real quick.
Alright. Oh, I see.
I want to perform their favorite song, which you know you love.
Hey, looky there.
Whoa. 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 Yeah, oh my God. 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 Yeah, oh my God.
Hey,
I think they left. I
Same
think.
over here.
Well, okay. Well, me too.
Watch this, Maddox.
Oh, crap.
Wait. Oh!
Oh! Holy crap.
Yeah, you're running now. Hey, that guy's stealing a log!
Oh, hey!
What the heck?
Ooh. No, no, no.
Fine. Yeah,
No, I'm not letting him up. No! I can't. I don't have any more sprint.
I think they got the idea. They saw their friend get blown into pieces.
I know. There's another one.
Where?
Yeah, run, buddy. No! I get hit with a bone one time and die, but I slice him in half with a 70-pound axe, and he doesn't even fall down. This game makes a lot of sense.
Oh, yeah. Makes sense to me. What if we saw them driving away in the golf cart?
Cade,
What?
straight ahead of you. There's multiple.
I'm trying to make some sticky bombs real quick.
Cade, to your right. He's chasing you.
That's a big one too.
Oh
Okay.
my goodness.
You just kicked me in the chest and killed me.
Holy crap. No, 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 no.
Did he kill you?
No, I'm running away.
Alright.
No!
You just walked up and kicked me in the chest and killed me.
I'm blocking him there.
It's lucky I don't have ammo in my gun, dude. Drop him in his tracks.
He's almost dead, he's almost dead! Oh, I'm dead.
I gotta go get my backpack.
Wait.
I'm gonna get my backpack and then I'm gonna make sticky bombs.
When I get killed by a shark.
Alright. What else do I need? Wire.
I don't know what's freaking Riverdale, dude. Been waiting all day to watch it.
Yeah, I know, right? I wanted to watch it too.
Yeah.
Medics!
Dude, this game is really fun.
No, I'll get you. Don't. Okay, never mind. I'm dead too.
Alright.
wanna go see if we can watch it? I didn't even see Dad in the living room when I went down there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you just wanna go see if he's in the living room real quick?
We'll save real quick. And then get off and chill. And then we can get back on in a little bit. On this.
I'm down.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright.
Make sure we save.
Yeah, Senior.
It's freaking windy, dude.
In real life or in this game?
Not in the game, bro.
Oh, man.
Come on, dude.
Cool. They're breaking our house. I just pieced them up.
Oh, I can't get in. Dead, finally.
Kill him. Oh, not the big one.
There's a big one. I got a surprise with the big one.
Oh, what?
What?
Where did he go?
Probably ran after Thor kicked me in the chest.
Well, no, I was fighting him and almost killed him. And then I got killed. Alright, we'll save real quick.
Alright. We're gonna need to make a little door. Should we make a door? Or like some kind of other way to get in?
No, I'll make a door. Alright, save. Alright, I'll see you in a minute, dude.
Alright, see ya. See you stream. Be off in a minute.